called an EBF-25. Attached is a Lego milestone program mechanism connected by Bluetooth to a mobile phone. That's two cool toys together with a simple remote-controlled probe. Let's see it in action. See more pictures on my dad's blog.